Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain about strings in Python. It is very simple concept. Please watch the video till end for better understanding. And also, it plays major role in various places. First of all, what is a strings in Python? Strings are simple text consisting of sequence of characters, letters, numbers and special characters. String can be created using a single quote, double quotes and triple quotes. In this example, string 1 equal to Python, string 2 equal to Apple, string 3 equal to bag. While running this, the output will be Python, Apple, bag, because the string 1 is a string with a single quote. String 2 is string with a double quote. String 3 is a string with a triple quote. So we can use single quote, double quotes or triple quotes while writing program. Next, accessing string element. How we accessing the element in the string? An individual character in a string is accessed using a subscript or index. The index should always be an integer, that is positive or negative. An index starts from 0. Positive index helps in accessing the string from beginning. Negative index accessing the string from end. From left to right, the first character of the string has the index 0. It is important, please note it. From left to right, the first character of the string has the index 0. From right end to left, the first character of a string is -1. Here, string computed with a positive or negative index position number. Index from left, the 0 for C and 1 for O, like that. And next, index from right end. -1 for R, -2 for E, and so on. A string can be accessed by the character one at a time with the bracket operator. For example, if we take a fruit equal to banana and give as the fruit index 0, it will throw an output as a B, because while accessing the element while accessing string element, we will count the character from 0 to etc. So while counting from 0, B takes 0 and A takes 1 and so on. Now here the sentence given as a fruit index 0, so the output will be B. Next, suppose we will take a fruit index of 4, the output will be N. Next, fruit index of 6. These code will not produce an output because string index is out of range. Here string range up to 5, but we want output at the index 6, so error will occur. Next, index from right end. So while counting from -1, B takes -1 and A takes -2 and so on. Now here the sentence given as a fruit index of -5. What will be the output? A will be the output. Thank you for watching this video. If any comments, please post it on comment box. Thank you.